Welcome to the profile of Psittacosaurus, the parrot lizard of the early Cretaceous, living between 125 and 105 million years ago across Asia. This creature is one of the most successful dinosaurs ever discovered, not in size, but in sheer numbers and species diversity. It was a true survivor. Its name, which means parrot lizard, perfectly describes its most distinctive feature: a tall, short skull, equipped with a sharp, curved beak, just like a modern parrot's. Imagine a dinosaur about 2 meters long, weighing over 20 kilograms. As an adult, it was an obligate biped, walking gracefully on its 2 hind legs. But interestingly, when it was young, it started life on all 4s, with its front legs growing more slowly than its back legs. Unlike its famous cousin, the Triceratops Psittacosaurus hadn't yet evolved massive horns or a giant bony neck frill. Instead, some species had cheekbones that flared out to the sides, forming small, horn-like points, giving it a very unique look. What makes this dinosaur so special is how incredibly well we know it. Thanks to some truly exceptional fossils, scientists have been able to reconstruct its appearance in breathtaking detail. We know its skin was covered in scales of different sizes, but the most surprising feature was a row of long, hollow bristles, like porcupine quills, that ran down the top of its tail. These weren't feathers, but were likely used for display, to communicate with other psittacosaurs, and the details don't stop there. We even know its color pattern. It used a type of camouflage called countershading, with a dark back and a light belly. This would have helped it blend into the shadows of the dense low-light forests it called home. It also had spots and stripes on its limbs to further break up its outline. Fossils have even preserved a cloaca, similar to a bird's, and the first belly button ever found on a non-avian dinosaur. Psittacosaurus was a smart herbivore. It had a relatively high intelligence for a ceratopsian, and possessed an excellent sense of smell and good vision. To eat, it used its powerful beak to slice through tough plants and seeds. Since it couldn't chew very well, it swallowed stones, called gastroliths, which would grind up the food inside a gizzard, a clever trick that many modern birds still use today. Life wasn't easy back then. The world was dangerous, and fossils show they were hunted by early mammals like the ferocious Rhypanomamus. To survive, Psittacosaurus was a social creature. Paleontologists have found fossils of many juveniles of different ages huddled together. This suggests they formed large groups, like dinosaur kindergartens, to protect each other while they grew up. From its parrot-like beak to the quills on its tail and its clever survival strategies, Psittacosaurus remains one of the most fascinating and completely understood dinosaurs in history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the prehistoric world.